Hi guys, welcome to Quaran-Clean. I'm Stevie Cousins from Concorso Detailing. Today I've teamed up with Porsche Club GB to bring you a series of videos on how to detail your cars during the lockdown period. In this episode I'll be running through step by step how to clean your wheels and how to deal with water spots after washing the car. First of all, I'm going to run through some of the products we'll be using for cleaning these wheels. First and foremost, a bit of PPE. Put some disposable gloves on, just helps your hands against chemicals, anything like that. So first product we're using is an all-purpose cleaner. I use Porsche Green Star, great all-purpose cleaner. I recommend that for use on tyres, the arches, and if you've got carbon ceramic brakes on your car, I'd recommend using it for that. I've diluted it down into a spray bottle to make it easier for myself. For wheels with iron brakes, I recommend using Porsche Reactive Wheel Cleaner. It's a great product. It bites into the brake dust that's on the wheel and lifts it off, dissolves it, and it's easily rinsed off once finished. For agitating the wheel, I recommend these wheel woolies. They come in different sizes. Nice fluffy ends to them. It makes a really good contact point when you're getting in and around the wheels. Different sizes really help with different size brakes. So if you've got cars with bigger brakes or wheels that are a little bit smaller, these get around brake calipers and the brake disc itself a hell of a lot easier. Generic wheel brush. It's a soft, short hair brush. This is good for getting inside the wheel nut gaps and everything like that. Bit of tar and glue remover. I've just decanted it into there for this purpose. The brush for the arch and an old microfiber cloth. First, I jet wash the wheel and the arch down to remove any light dirt that might be stuck to the surfaces. All-purpose cleaner is then applied to the arches and the tyres. We then take our short head detailing brush to clean the tyres. The arches are then brushed as well. Next, the arches and tyres are rinsed again. We then take our Porsche Reactive Wheel Cleaner and spray it very generously around the wheel. You'll notice after 5 minutes of dwelling, the colour changes purple. Then take the wheel woolly brushes to clean the inside barrel of the wheel. It's important to move it side to side to get behind every spoke. After this, we then use the detailing brush to do the face of the wheel, making sure we're getting all the crevices and gaps. This is then rinsed once more. After this, we take our tar and glue and spray it into the inside barrels and the face of the wheel. You'll notice after a bit of dwelling, the tar starts to dissolve. Then take our old microfiber cloth to scrub off the dissolving tar. Finally, rinse the wheel once more. Be sure to include the surrounding paintwork in case there's any product overspray on any surfaces. The next question I will be answering in this episode is how to deal with water spots on your car after you've washed it. As you can see, I'm using Swiss Wax Quick Finish. This product is based with deionized water and it eliminates the chances of water spots after the car is dried. As you can see, I mist it over the car and wipe it over with a super soft microfiber towel. After you've dried the car, you might realise that water has trickled out of intricate areas such as these engine vents. Ultimately, water spots are down to the hardness of water in your area. Being from Knaresborough, we're pretty lucky that our water is soft. You can use other products instead of Swiss Wax Quick Finish. Another product I recommend is Porsche FSE, that's Finish Spray Exterior. I'll leave a link for it in the description. This has got a limescale remover and effectively removes water spots. If you're really struggling with hard water in your area, you can buy inline filters that fit between the tap and your hosepipe to ensure you get clean water going to your power washer. I'll include a link to them in the description below. Another question that was asked was, how do I deal with sticky insect marks on the front of the car? First, we take the tar and glue remover and remove any residue that the washing stages did not remove. After tar and gluing, it's time to clay. In this process, I'm using an Auto Finesse clay bar and a quick detailer. The quick detailer acts as a lube to help the clay bar glide smoothly over the paintwork and reduce scratching. You'll notice now how I'm folding the clay. This is to trap any dirt that I've picked up back into the centre of the clay so I can use a renewed surface for more claying. By this stage you will have removed the thick of the bug splat. You may find that you have an ever so slight outline left. What I do is take a little bit of hand polish and go over it in a crisscross pattern as shown here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please check out my website. It's www.concorsodetailing.co.uk. You can also find us on our socials at Concorso Detailing. I'll leave a link for them in the description. Please stay tuned for more detailing videos.